Here's the apartment we're staying at. This is the kitchen. Here is the refrigerator. I gotta make sure I don't get my. This is all we have. Water, pop, and then here is the freezer. And we have stuff everywhere. But we've been shopping. Stay tuned to the end of the video if you're interested in seeing the rest of the apartment. Peace out. Hello, cookies, and welcome back to another video. This is a bad birthday behavior, as you guys can see here. Actually, these aren't all of mine, but one of these are. This is my sister, her Louis Vuitton. So let's get right into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up and like. This video is unboxing of Louis Vuitton. And then her first piece is a wallet. It's so cute. Here is the, I don't know, I think this one we got from Barcelona. She picked this up in Barcelona. Oh, actually, this is mine. I'm glad I looked. No, this is yours. Oh, this is her. This is the, I believe, the Sarah Louis Vuitton. It has a snap, and she got the, I think it's ballet pink is the color. Let's see if the tag is in here. It has 3 card slots here, and then a slot here on the side, 3 on this side, nothing on this side, and then here is the zipper compartment. You guys probably have seen this before. It's pink in the inside. It says textile, and then interior is Vichetti. Here is the little tag. I don't know what happened to the tag. And then here is where the money part goes. So this is her Louis Vuitton new wallet we picked up in Barcelona. It's so cute. She wanted the pink for the inside. And I have her bag, so I'll show you guys her bag too. This is so cute. So we have this one. This one just has the traditional Louis Vuitton print. And it has the little gold buckle here. Cute. Cute. We had such a great time in Barcelona shopping. We did more shopping than we anticipated that we would do, and we had a good time. Lots of walking. And so that's her Louis Vuitton wallet. I move that off the way. This is her bag, and this is mine. So her bag is so adorable. Initially, I was going to get this bag, but I changed my mind because I couldn't wear it as a crossbody, but she could wear it as a crossbody. And this is the original box that it came in, and this is what the dust bag looks like. Of course, she's already been in it. She took off all of the blue ribbon. I'm not sure what she did with the blue ribbon. I think I didn't get a box for mine because I knew I was traveling. So I wanted to be able to just travel without it. So this is it. Oh my gosh, I don't think I have the name of this bag, but I'll make sure I put it on the screen. But this is what it looks like. It just, I don't know what happened to the original tags. Textile, interior, and then Vachetta. It has a similar tag. This isn't the tag to the real look. But anyhow, this is like a hobo. And I love this Louis Vuitton lock here. It still has the plastic on it. I don't know if this one opens up. I don't think so. It doesn't have a keyhole. It's like a little tag. And then this is the strap. It's adjustable. And it tucks right in here. It's the, I think this is the tan Vachetta leather. It has Louis Vuitton here, Paris. And then on the other side, it just is like this. It's just shortened. The other side is the longest side. And it's like truly the bucket bag. It's kind of reminds you of the Noe. And then this is the bottom. And then the inside, it has a pochette with it that can be removed. On the side here, it can be removed. And then this is the little pochette that comes with it. I really like this one. I was gonna get this one, but I was really hesitant about it, like I said. But it has the Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France here. And then this is the gold zipper. Did you get this in France? And then this is what the inside looks like.
Yeah.
So she bought this in France, Marseille, France. And this strap, you can do it like a couple different ways. You can put these together. And then this snaps together like so. And then, I think the snap goes at the bottom. Then it kind of has that Noe look, that little, except the Noe has the, the Noe has the center, it has like a center pocket. So this is bigger than the Noe. I think if I have pictures, I'll insert them to show you with the Noe. It's this maybe like 2 inches taller, and it doesn't have that center zipper, so you can carry it like this, which is really cute, a shoulder bag. Or you can just unbuckle this and then just carry it just like a hobo, which is what I really like about it, because it's like a never full bucket, but it's like a hobo style. So that's her bag. It's so cute. It's really adorable. I hope the camera really shows you. The leather smells masculine to me. If you ask me, what does the Louis Vuitton canvas and leather smells like? It smells kind of like a masculine hue, kind of rich, and I don't know how to describe it. If I could think of another way to describe it, and then I'll just tuck that back in there. So it's so darling. It's so cute. So that's her little bag. I guess I'll leave it out. I'll take a picture. And then bag come in 2 sizes. This is the all-in BB, and the one that she has is the all-in MM. The smaller version is cute too. It comes with a pochette. It's just smaller. So just wanted to show you guys that. Let's get into mine. Instead of getting this one, I decided to get this one. And oh yeah, I have a wallet as well. I think I've shown my wallet in a different video, so I won't bore you. Here's my receipt. This one, oh, I think this is a different. This one was bought in Barcelona. Here's the tag on that. This one might be yours. Let me see. Oh no, this is mine's. This one, I have the burgundy. It's the same, the 3, and then here's the money slot. I think it's called fuchsia or something like that. If I remember, I'll add the name in the video. It has the same little tag here. And I think this piece right here, they could have made that a little more richer when you think of how good Dooney & Bourke's little leather tags are. I think Louis Vuitton could have did a different job with that, but it has the little gold buckle that says Louis Vuitton here. I don't think any of this says Louis Vuitton on here, but this says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. And hers say France, right? I think yours said France, so let me see. So that is mine. We have to get our receipts together so we can go to the airport and do duty-free, tax-free. That's what makes it so good to buy your Louis Vuitton in Barcelona, is because of that. And then here is my bag. It's huge. It's huge. This is the dust bag, and then here is the bag. I really love the whole bowness, and this one you can tie in a bow like this to close it for closure. But I really like the size of it. It has the LV with the gold like luggage tag here. And then here is the inside. It has a pochette as well. It has that like burgundy Coca-Cola, cherry cola color. And then here's the pochette that comes with it. It's also trimmed in the vachetta leather. I love the gold Louis Vuitton zipper. Sounds like butter. And then this one just has a little piece of paper. And this one says Paris, made in Italy. This one has made in Italy. I hope you can see that. And then this has a zipper, a nice generous zipper in the back. Two little slip pockets here, and then nothing on the other side. And then this just says Louis Vuitton coated fabric, synthetic textile, vachetta leather. And then I love this strap on here. And you guys will have to come back to another video and see. I'll do some mod shots of this, and I'll show you guys how I pack it. I love the strap on this. I love the vachetta leather on it. I think they really did a good job. I love how this, you can tuck in here on the sides. It has, what does it have? Made in Italy here. And I love the trim on this, the gold buckle. And then on the other side, this also says made in Paris. So this is adjustable. So when it's long, you can tuck it in here, which is nice. And it also has 4 feet, which says Louis Vuitton at the bottom. I really love this shape, this style. I love the hobo. I love to be able to carry my iPad Pro, and I think it'll fit nicely in here. It's so cute. It's a gorgeous bag. So if I remember, I'll add the measurements down below in the comments. So let me know what you guys think of our little purchases. She got hers from France. I bought mine's from, I got mine's from France too. I think my other Louis Vuitton bag I got from, I got that other Louis Vuitton in France. This one I got in Barcelona. So I got one in France and one in Barcelona. I know, misbehaving, birthday behavior, naughty on a whole nother level. But yeah, that's that. So thank you, Cookie, so much for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and come back, because I have a Gucci unboxing. We both bought a Gucci as well. So I'm excited to show you that too. And I'll see you, Cookies, in the next video. I think I have 2 other Louis Vuitton videos unboxing as well. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you, Cookies, then. Peace out. Deuces. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Let's spray it out now. Oh, nice. Oh. Oh. Rented this 2-bedroom apartment for after the cruise because we wasn't quite ready to leave Barcelona, so we wanted to stay a few days after the cruise. It had 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, and I didn't get the second bathroom, but it was a full size, sort of big tub. Peace out.
forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I will show you my Gucci in the next video. Turn on your bell notifications so you can see what your girl did. Peace out.